Hi, Stephen here from Share Navigator, and this is just a quick tour to help you get the most out of the Pro Members Club community. But before we do that, on your home dashboard window here, you might see a video up here on the top left. That's an introductory video just showing you how to get the most out of the platform. If you no longer need to see that video again, if you just click on the X on the top right hand side, that video will disappear and then you won't see it again when you log in. So let's go into the Pro Members Club. And what you're going to see, this is a community feed, and we've got a number of spaces here within this community feed. So we've got our US 500 option trade alerts, our interactive broker option trade alerts, our buy and hold portfolio, our weekly web meet recordings. So that's where we provide a text summary and the video recordings of our weekly group meetings. And you can post into that as well if you have any questions about whatever was raised, and our daily market updates. Under general here, this is where we would encourage you to post new ideas, new trade ideas that you're considering. In the center window then is the main feed itself. But let's say you wanted to narrow it down just to, well, what's happening in the US 500. You'll see all the posts that relate to the US 500 trade alerts. So you can see here our latest trade, which is trade number 7. We've just closed it out for a 2.42% profit. What you can do here, a very unique feature here, is you can just follow this specific trade. So what we have done with the communications is we don't want you bombarded with emails every time somebody posts in a forum. So what we've done is we've switched it off, and you will get a summary once a week. However, if, for example, we opened up a new trade, let's say this was a new trade, and you wanted any post email to you straight away anytime somebody posts, just click on the follow tab here, and that's when you will get an email every time somebody posts. So you can decide what posts you want to receive or not. Also, if you want to search within this feed, just type in here, and you could maybe type in something. Let's type in June, for example. It's going to bring up any post there that had June in it. So let's say, for argument's sake, we were looking at a June update here on one of our trades. There you go. You can see all the posts that have June mentioned in it. If you wanted to be more specific, you would just type in the exact option trade that you're looking at there. So going into the US 500 again, if you, for example, wanted to see what's going on with this specific trade, so the way it works is I post an initial post, and then I reply to this post every single day as long as that trade is open. And I'm giving you an update on the trade. I might upload a video if I think you need to be aware of something. So for example, yesterday I made a video. I showed you, look, the trade is going really, really well. This is what our plan of action is going to be. Look at this video. And there, it's a private video for all exclusive to our members. So the whole thread can open up here on the right hand side, and you can jump in there and ask questions at any stage that you wish. So we just thought this is a great way of you asking questions and interacting with us. We would also encourage you in the general tab here to post your ideas. So we've already had one post from Nanique about semiconductors and the impact from China and the IPOs recently. And we had a good back and forth there. And again, if you wanted to find out what's going on that, you could just click on the replies and the whole conversation will open up here. And this is a great way for us to learn from each other and present ideas. We would really encourage you to do that, and let's have a conversation about it. Okay, this is a very, very quick update on how to get the most of the Pro Members Club. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, and bye for now.